Hi all. And first of all, I'd like to thank Digital Media Tech for giving me this opportunity and platform where I can talk about, which is not so I'll say new now. It's we all know about it, DPDPA Act. It's now a bill, DPDPP. So I think most of the organization who are part of as a GDPR, they already know, they have already seen that cycle. But with the regulation part, at what is expected from DPDP Act. And in case you ask me where to start from, I think it is same everywhere. Whenever a new thing comes, the first thing best is to do process and practice gap analysis based on what is the expectation. So first aspect to me, which I think should be done, the first thing is doing a gap assessment with respect to processes that we need to update, we need to create. At the same time, what are the implementation aspects, practice aspects that we need to kind of work on. Once we have a clear idea about we don't have these processes, we don't have these practices based on what is expected in DPDP Act. I think next is easy. The next is that we go to management, we talk about, they already know about it, but based on our landscape and our ecosystem of that organization, we talk about that, okay, here is a risk. And here is the current situation and current scenario with respect to implementation. So once we all are on same page, the immediate next step is kind of based on what we have identified, prioritize it, what is the most critical one, direct ones, indirect ones. First work on the direct aspects, process and practice both. And that should include vendors also because they are part of the whole ecosystem. You can't just kind of exclude them. So having a whole ecosystem kind of a plan where you know what processes needs to be changed, created. Secondly, what practices on ground needs to be implemented. And third, once we are kind of have that understanding, we start in parallel, we need to work on the awareness aspect of everyone and get all on the same board and have a governance on top of it and track all those action items to closure so that at least we know that these are the must to have points where we need to be compliant and we have ensured that. So that was my take and thank you again.